Hey, good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a strong bearish candle. Alright, so my bias on dollar is still there for a short to mid-term basis, or you want to call it a mid-term basis in the next 3 months. But let's see how things go. So I have not engaged any buying opportunity. If you are in my community, you know I have been holding back to look for confirmation. Alright, so if you head down to the 4-hour chart, it's very straightforward. On the 4-hour chart, it's a bearish trend because this strong pullback over here didn't break and close above the previous high, and it just keep on going lower, giving a new low price. So the sell zone will be at this bar over here because this is the wave that created a new low. All right, so 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Based off the 1-hour chart, this is the sell zone over here. I gave enough example. I hope that helps. What you can do is scan this QR code. It will bring you to our Discord channel, and our channel looks something like this. You have all our information over here at one place. I find that this is the best and most effective way for you to receive information and important tweets, or at least I find that it's important. I will post it over here. Okay, so I'll post it over here, and sorry for the beef up face. Alright, if you want to receive my trading ideas, this video analysis, written analysis to the public, which is you, is over here. Okay, please show some emoji, like, and comments. I think you can do that. You can also share your analysis over here. This is the one channel you can create your own analysis. Just no advertising. We are very against it. There will be no warning, and we will just boot you out straight away. All right, so of course you have opposing ideas. We welcome those ideas. Just be kind on your messaging and stuff like that. And if you have the same idea, you can share it as well. Share your analysis rather than just saying like, I have the same thoughts, or just share your analysis. It's fine. Okay, but over here is only limited to our students. You have additional slightly more advanced kind of analysis, video and written analysis, and sometimes it can be even tough. So for new students, I would say that you can use this as a learning stepping stones and see how I piece things together sometimes. That's how I'm going to demonstrate. However, if it's too confused for you, you can always save the video recording and revisit once you get your basic right. And if you scroll down further, this is where I'm going to share with you, or just before that, this is all the alerts that I get and I receive. And I know this may look alien to you. Just go to the radar decipher. You even know the 12 pairs I'm looking at. And I even pretty much give you a one-liner why I'm not looking at Switzerland franc. The lines, what does it mean? The color, what does it mean? These numbers, what does it mean? So you can decode and decipher what I'm looking at. And the good stuff is that at least you have an idea what I'm looking at. You can try to go and have a look and see, hey, why it got triggers. There is a trigger time, so you can pretty much guess and figure out what time it is. And this is linked to my server time. I believe on your end it should be that as well. Important news will be here. I filled out the news for you so you know what matters, and sometimes we do put some fun news. As traders, sometimes we have nothing to do. We can gossip a bit as well. All right, but on financial news or financial stuff. But what really could interest you is this part over here under the Traders Cafe. Click the pin, and by clicking this link, it will bring you to our student portal. This is when you can choose to be in our Telegram as well. All right, because you might afraid that you might miss out certain things and stuff like that. But if you choose between Telegram or Discord to choose one, please be in the Discord because there are more information over there. Scroll down further. This is where you're going to receive your free training. So there's no excuse that the training cost is too expensive, you can't afford it. Even if it's $10, it's too much. I'm not sure if it's a new real deal. I know it already start to sound a bit ridiculous, but anyway, this is free training for you. Just go and learn. You should be able to execute certain things. You should be able to trade simple stuff as well. The only thing you don't get access to is to get coached by us, coached by myself, coached by my team. There's nothing of that. You can still be in discussion group of the public discussion, which is not really highly moderated. Correct? People might be posting different strategies and we might not even talk about it or mention about it. Alright. So if you want to get a coach, well, drop us a note if you love our style and we'll see if you're a good fit, if we accept you, and if once you are being accepted in our community, because there will be interview before you get accepted. As long as you follow through the promises you made on your end about your commitment, I don't see why you can't be profitable. Alright, so scroll down further. This is where you can see pretty much an idea how we trade. Second target is always 2-1 ratio, or rather 90% of the time. With that, it pretty much significantly bring down the level of stress you have in trading. Alright, because you will know that you just need 40% of accuracy to be profitable. Alright, yeah, that's how we do it. If you like this kind of trading style, then drop me a note. Back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. Alright, so over here, if you see a black box, meaning to say that this is the first break and close below the low. It is still a bullish trend, just a weaker bull. I will need another pullback and break and close below this low for it to become a bearish trend. If we head down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. If you really want to plot up a sell zone, then it will look something like this. As promised, I say I'm going to share with you. Alright, with 3 example over here, I think is cool enough for you to get going from here. Alright, market went down, came up, very straightforward pullback, and went down again. So this is the leg I'm interested. So any pullback up to this level, 131.48, because previous supports become resistance, I'll call it the key resistance level. Alright, to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. You see, same thing on the 4-hour, very alike. It's definitely not the same price. Okay, market came down, pulled back up, went down again. This is a box that boxed it up. Previous support, if it turns resistance and this level hold up, then this will be the key level of resistance. Alright, you can see I place it at the candle body, not at the wick of it. Personal preference for over 17 years. Okay, so even when higher than that, as long as within this red box, it is still a selling trend. Alright, so if this is something for you, if you see that US is going to have increase of that limit issue this round, you might want to go in for an aggressive short first until the news is released. This is a highly volatile information. You might want to be very careful if you want to trade this, but the reward can be huge for this setup. Alright, so if you like this kind of trading and you like the style and the stuff that you've been seeing, well, drop me a note. We'll see if you're a good fit. If we say yes to you, that means you just need to spend 15 minutes a day doing your analysis, and of course that's after training, the 1-day training course. Set aside the time, be 100% present, go through the video step by step, you know, pause, replay as many times as you want, and start plotting those stuff out and post it in the discussion chat. There's no need to be shy about it, just keep on posting, it's fine. I'll respond as soon as I can, because right now we let you attend the course at your free time, which might not be my free time to respond to you, if that makes sense to you. Yeah, I might be in the middle of something, but I'll definitely get back to you within 1 day. Usually I don't take that long. Alright, so that's all I have for you. If you love to earn additional income and the comfort of your home for your family, well, then drop me a note. We'll see if you are a good fit. If we accept you, then you just have to follow. That's just as simple as that. If we say that you're not ready, then just hop on to our free course, free training, practice it, do it a bit, and you know, come back to us, and hopefully we still have vacancy for you for that cohort, if you want to say that. Alright, so that's all I have for you. I'll see you soon. Take care.